Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making sure your Mac meets requirements and you have enough free space. Install Google Drive for desktop now. Once installed, sign in with your Google account and choose whether to use streaming or mirroring. This affects local storage use and access speed. Next, select the specific folders on your Mac to back up and pick upload quality and permissions. These first choices shape everything downstream, so take a minute to match them to how you work and what you need immediately. Once you've chosen syncing mode, open Finder to access Mounted Drive. You'll see Drive as a location when streaming or a local folder when mirroring. Then configure Selective Sync, exclude bulky archives, or include only active projects to save space. Make sure you understand how shared folders behave, changes sync both ways, and review permission levels to avoid accidental edits. If file conflicts arise, choose the version to keep and adjust conflict resolution. To finish, confirm everything uploaded by checking sync status and recent timestamps in the Drive menu. Make sure files open correctly from Finder. If transfer speeds lag, adjust bandwidth limits or proxy settings and preferences. Also link or unlink additional accounts if you need more storage. If something breaks, restart the Drive app, and if needed, sign out and sign back in to refresh authentication tokens. That often clears stuck uploads. If issues persist, check available disk space and folder permissions before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.